The following provides important winter weather information for the following county: Delta, Michigan. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Where? Delta and Southern Schoolcraft counties. When? From 7 a.m. Sunday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Heavy falling snow will lead to reduced visibility. Additional details. Widespread heavy snow is expected Sunday morning into Sunday night.